Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an eyebrow tutorial, starting off with brushing, and then you're going to line using Davis number 3 eye pencil. Starting from the lower side of your eyebrow, you just line like I'm doing, and then after that you're going to line the upper side, leaving a little space at the beginning of your eyebrow. You start from slightly in the middle, and then after that you're going to draw hair like strands at the inner part of the eyebrow. Make sure you do them slightly so that they can look natural. And then after that you're going to fill in the other side of the eyebrow using the same eye pencil that I used to line Davis number 3 eye pencil. Just fill in like that. And guys, kindly watch this video to the end, like, share, comment, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And then after that you're going to conceal using Legal Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and using a flat brush, and be gentle while concealing so that you don't cause a mess. Be gentle while concealing your eyebrows, so you just conceal like that. And then after concealing, we're going to blend using our Damn Beauty blender. Make sure you squeeze out the excess water. Blend like that, and then that's the final look of eyebrows. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.